Hello friend, in this video lecture we discuss syllabus of mathematics of first year science in Kavitribai Bhainabai Chaudhary, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. So first of all, we discuss about examination pattern of the mathematics. The examination pattern is semester system for both theory and practical papers. So for mathematics, for first year there is no practical. Okay, each theory paper is of 100 marks and which is divided as a 60 for external examination and 40 for internal examination. Same structure for practical paper also. Okay, let me tell you about the internal examination. In internal examination, there will be two tests will be conducted. The test one on up 30 to 40% syllabus of the course. See, test one on 30 to 40% syllabus of the course, and the marks for this test one 10 marks. After that, test two will be conducted on entire syllabus and marks allotted for the test 20. After that, the remaining 10 marks on attendance, attendance and behavior 10 marks. Okay, attendance 5 marks and behavior 5 marks. That is 5 plus 5, 10 marks. So in this way, 40 marks divided for internal examination. Now let us discuss the syllabus. Okay, see the course structure of mathematics of first year science. There are three papers: paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. Now paper 1 is matrix algebra. The course code of the matrix algebra is MTH 101, having 2 credit and number of periods in our per week 2, and for 45 minutes there will be 3 number of periods. Okay, now second paper having course code 102, and the title of the paper is calculus, and credit and number of periods is same. Okay, now paper 3, the course code of paper 3 MTH 103A, coordinate geometry, or MTH 103B, graph theory. Credit number of periods same. Okay, now the second same paper 1 course code MTH 201 ODE, that is ordinary differential equation. Paper 2 course code MTH 202 theory of equation. Paper 3 MTH 203A Laplace transform, or MTH 203B numerical analysis. Now see, here we discuss the only semester 1 paper. The first paper is matrix algebra. The title of the course is matrix algebra and course code MTH 101. In this course, we will discuss the elementary level knowledge of rank and adjoint of matrix. Here we cover all the basic part of the matrices. Application of matrices to system of linear equation, eigenvalues and eigenvectors of matrices, and also the transformation of matrices. So for that, we must have the 11th and 12th levels knowledge of mathematics. Okay. Now for that paper, we refer the reference book Matrix and Linear Algebra by K.B. Datta. Second book, a textbook of matrices by Shanti Narayan. Third one is Sham series. Okay, so these are the book reference book. So we generally refer the first book, otherwise second book. Now next, the second paper is calculus. Title of the course is calculus and code MTH 102. In this course, we will discuss the fundamental knowledge of limit and continuity for one variable, differentiation, mean value theorem, Rolle's theorem, Cauchy mean value theorem, its geometrical interpretation, successive differentiation in which we find the nth derivative, application of calculus. In application of calculus, we will discuss Taylor series, Maclaurin series. Also, we discuss the reduction formulas also. For that, we must have the 11th and 12th standard level mathematics knowledge. Okay. Now, last, paper 3, these are the reference book. Okay. Now, paper 3, MTH 103A coordinate geometry. In this course, we will discuss the 2 and 3 dimensional geometries, especially sphere, cone, and cylinder. So, prerequisite for this course, 11th and 12th standard mathematics. Now, MTH 103, these are the reference book. MTH 103B, graph theory. Actually, this is new notion for the first year student. Okay, the topic is helpful for computer related course. Student having the computer branch. Okay, so here we must have the knowledge of set, function. Okay, in this course we will discuss the graph, trees, directed graph, application of the graph, 7 bridge problem, traveling salesman problem. Okay, formation of flow chart using rooted trees. And the reference book for this course is Graph Theory with Application to Engineering and Computer Science by Narsingh Dev. Okay, and second book of the Shams series. Thank you.